State President KNPP Dr. W.R. Kharlukiu Baderu MP Karaja Sabha Menta Kasib Ar Kalai Potere Unela Aja Apuar Raya Ban Pinskamika National People Party Kabastang Thau Thamai Jonga Khatpra West Shillong Block Executive Committee Hakajing Sakhilang Usimbur Menteri Rangbak Sorkar Jilla Upalong Ru Hakajo Kapor Vice President KNPP Uba Preston Tynsong Ringkat Uba Bajap Pingrop Spokesperson KNPYF Ka President Jangka Women's Wing Kong Jasmine Lingdo Abat Kiwe Kibaladan Benta Aba Ajingkan Hakani Kasi Uba Preston Tynsong Lapin Pau Gajing Sokumen Hadim Lapin Skami KNPP Khatpra West Shillong Constituency Bakajing Tua Jangki Pajba Khatpra West Shillong Constituency Kipana Kiwe Ki Party Kiblawan Benetre Lang Bat Kaseng NPP Klam Dapat Yakajing Perjat Briew Jing Perniam
and we are one. Almost 5 years now we completed running the government. I never expected that NPP will be able to step in your constituency. Here is the plan of Almighty, which is ultimately we are together here tonight, and also we will grow together henceforth. Now I will not name anybody here because time is running out. What I wanted to share with you here is this. I'm so proud of myself to be in this place, which is known as a cosmopolitan place or constituency. Seeing one by one, when all of you are part and parcel of the block NPP, West Shillong constituency, all representative, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Here we are a complete India. This is what I wanted to tell you. I express my gratefulness to see that the 18 West Shillong are seen as one, be it in the state level or be it in the national level. So here I am part of this family. Thank you so much, friends. When I go back home, I'll start learning Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, so on and so forth. Just few months back, I would like to tell you few developmental activities has happened here in your constituency. And let me tell you one scheme which is being sanctioned now is ambulance. Hopefully CM will be able to come and inaugurate and launch the ambulance which is being sanctioned now. Then we have more small schemes, be it solar light, be it electric light, and also be it the beautification of your center over there, which is called, what do we call it? That point of Kerbong. In Kerbong Point, we have already accorded sanction 2.5 plus crores, and this beautification will be completed at the earliest possible. So these are the issues where I would like to share with all of you that the government is showing its responsibility to the people of the 18 Shnong West constituency. Next point is, we have decided also from the government side that we are going to strengthen the security services in and around this constituency. So we wanted to see that you all feel secure at any point of time. So here is the official communication where the government would like to inform all of you that the government is all out with all of you at any point of time as far as maintaining law and order and also peace in this particular constituency. I'm so happy also when our state president, Dr. Khaluki, has confirmed the office bearers of the block NPP here in your constituency under the leadership of By Rupang, whom we use fondly calling, and then By Soni Korean, along with the team, the youth, the women, all of you. I wishes you all the best, and please work harder from tomorrow till we become victorious in the coming general election. Di perlok bayi begidon na kani ka janmi ban priskem ya kani ka parti ke jongi kabanga ngadon ban ong kolong na kaliang jong u national president u chief minister jongi umla ban yudon lang manta kenre kabanga pa ban ong yapi ka National People's Party nadu u national president hadu u state president district but hadu u pi ka block ngidia tre lang pum si para pum si ying si sen na ka benta ka jingbit ka jingbiang jong ki pai. One more important announcement I would like to share with all of you tonight. Since last year, I think you must be aware, government has taken initiative to launch Focus One. We call it Focus One. And this Focus One, when we took initiative, when we launched it, we were targeting those SHG, self-help group, women help self-help group, where we used to give them 5,000 rupees per member. If they are 10 members, each SHG, they are getting the working capital, I should say, 50,000 rupees. And now we are in the stage where each and every SHGs throughout the state in getting all these working capitals to all of them. And recently, this year, we again taken an initiative, the second phase of Focus, which is known as Focus Plus. Focus Plus, we already launched in Taro Hills, and some parts of this side also we launch. So for your benefits, I would like to tell you, please understand, through this block, through this committee, if you want to meet me or you want to meet CM, please make sure to meet us. We can explain to you more details how to avail again this financial assistance. And this time we wanted to give it individually. 5,000 rupees again to each individual household, weaker section. And we wanted to complete this mission as early as possible. From this constituency, I would like to tell you, please submit the names of 4,000 households. 4,000 households at the rate of 5,000 each household through the committee. And I would request, as I said, to all the office bearers, you can come and meet me, and you can also come and meet the Honorable Chief Minister at any time convenient to both of us. Because this again, NPP-led government. Now we wanted to focus that the government is partnering with the weaker section of people in the state of Mawbah. And we wanted also to make sure that their economical condition is improved through this initiative taken in the name of Focus Plus. I think now you got the point, you understand, right? Have you noted down, especially from the women or maybe the active member of the bloc? And I'm sure if you can avail 4,000 households, it should be a blessing. And you will see also a change that is going to happen here in your constituency. So friends, I don't want to also prolong my speech. Once again, this is the beginning of our journey. Just the beginning of our journey. Let us walk hard. Let us walk hard with full humility. As Basoni mentioned, we walk hard, full humility. Let people talk about NPP. I don't mind, I don't care. I became thick-skinned now. You have seen it, the drama in the social media. Who's Prestone, who's Karna Sama. But I'm telling you, once we do right, we don't care. But we need to do right for the interest of the state. I saw recently in the newspaper, the whole of Mawprem area, because they seeing one decision taken by the government that we are planning to shift that sweeper or French from sweeper lane at Mawlong to the Mawprem TV hospital, where we call it. I remember delegation came and met me. The Rambak Shnong, the traditional head, came and met me. And I assured them, this one, we have taken note of it. We will not just bulldoze, or we will not just go against the wishes of the people. So let me inform you now that we have taken a decision that relocation should not take place this side. Ikut diperolok di bawah bantuan politik isu kasong hakim. Then I assure you, relocation of our friends from Mawlong will not be shifted to this side. The Mawbah communicate ya kini ke decision ka bangi na kalian ko government mission but pin sayo issue hagini kisni ki panwan ya ka lentia ka bangi na ke sorkar ngin ya tanpa kawe ka mga kwa ban ong ya pi relocation has to take place ki ba ante hiyo molong klasiko ki beli ki perlok jongi ki blasakri ya ke jela jongi palat ya san posnet ka khams diu kate ke area ban ka slom tengi kwa ban shift ya ki dei ki do kisna ki ya don ka ban ni ka mekala Gimla ban klet ki kejila bahajo ki tambang ni hapru ya ban pet ya ke jingbit ke jingbiang lang jong ki pajba ke jela mekla bat kum juru na kemta jong ki tu ki pajba lani ki para ki men di jongi ki bala trei ban syakri ban ni hangne hak jela meklaya te kita ke gitin ke bang akwa ban persai ban bersutu hakmat jongpi and all of us once again before I complete my speech I would like to request all of you the newly constituted committee let us work harder and please assure us the candidates of NPP which is also to be decided by the bloc, not by Dr. Haruki, not by Pak Preston. The candidate whom you are going to propose, you send it to us, we will just blindly approve it. Maybe you want Pak Preston also, Pak Preston to contest from here, I don't know, or Baden. But as I said to you, we already entrusted to the newly constituted committee. Choose your candidate, anyone you decided, we will just approve it and we will wholeheartedly working together with the NPP bloc.
Because of the fragmented result which was given by the electorate of Meghalaya. Well, my dear friend, I have been traveling all over the state. This is something which I experienced. I've just been telling our National Vice President, the Deputy Chief Minister, the way things are going on, the way people are joining the party. I do hope with God's blessing that maybe this will be the second time that a party will get an absolute majority in the state, and that also with your support. The way I saw people coming to our meeting, it really, gave me the belief that maybe this time people will give an absolute majority. And I think we have tested coalition politics for so long. Why not this time give a try by giving the NPP, like what Soni has said, 6,000 plus majority victory in this constituency. Well, my dear friend, UDP is only here in Hasin Gentils. All of you have seen every result in the election. And last time they got around 6 or 8 seats, if I'm not mistaken. It's still a long way to go for them. If you vote for them, it is again a fragmented result in 2023. And well, the BJP, they got 2. I don't know next time how much they'll get. So I would request you, please give us a chance this time. Well, my dear friend, like what Soni has said, there are many critics of the party who have blamed the party without any specific proof. In one of the panel discussion, while one of the member was charging us, saying that this government is corrupt, this government, I told him, I said, with due respect, I'm sorry sir, you are a liar. Why did I say this? If you have specific proof, well, nobody can stop you to file an FIR with the police. Okay, if you don't believe the police, you go to court. You ask for CBI. But it's only hearsay. Like in Kasi, they said, "Bakti Lorni," which we shouldn't be like that. If you have proof, prove it and show the people that yes, but don't just talk. And what he said, even about the boundary issue,
that it has spread its wings, not only in Meghalaya, but all over the country. As you know, way back in 2013, our party, the National People's Party, had only 2 MLAs in the Legislative Assembly out here in the state of Meghalaya. But I'm very happy to inform you that today, the National People's Party is the single largest party in Meghalaya and has 7 MLAs in Manipur, has MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, has MLAs in Nagaland and all other parts of the northeastern states. That is the sign that the people of Northeast India have love for the National People's Party. The National People's Party, its ideology is to work for all, not looking at any caste or creed or religion, but to work for the development of the state of Meghalaya. Friends, as we know, me myself, going back to the past, why I have joined the National People's Party also. I have been a Congress member for the past 8 years, but I am tired to see the infighting going on in the Congress Party. And as I move on in my constituency, the people of my constituency have suggested me that if you join any other political party, it's better you join the National People's Party. And here today, I'm so happy to be in this party, having humble leaders like our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, our Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Preston Tynsong, our Honorable MP of the Rajya Sabha, and so many leaders where us youths can connect with the top brass of the party. We don't have our headquarters outside, but our headquarters is here in our beloved state, Meghalaya. Friends, as we know, elections is approaching in few months' time. I would request you all that when you go and cast your vote, cast with all your heart and soul for the National People's Party. The best part about the National People's Party is that so many sitting MDCs, sitting MLAs, they are on the queue of joining the National People's Party. Because we know from the support of the people for the National People's Party, we are confident that the National People's Party will form the next government in 2023.